Hi, this is Carl Lucas at the Trevi Group, and I head up the recruiting team for engineers, architects, and IT leaders. We help companies hire engineers and architects in the data center, cloud, networking, and security arenas. And one of our clients is a solid, fast-growing, and award-winning IT solutions provider. They have an amazing company culture, and they're focused on the latest technologies, and their IT services practice is exploding with growth, and they're looking to hire an IT engineer or manager in the greater Philadelphia or Cherry Hill areas with extensive experience in managing and maintaining large Linux server farm deployments and leveraging automation technologies. It's a full-time position, and it calls for someone that has great hands-on technical expertise in Linux and automation tools and experience in managing and mentoring a team of Linux engineers. It's a great opportunity to join this highly sought-after team, focus on the latest technologies, and take your career and compensation to the next level. So if you or somebody you know has this type of background or you'd like more information, please send your resume or that referral to carl@thetrevigroup.com. And appreciate your consideration. And don't forget to click here to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.